A faster way to find LCM every student must know. Look at the board. First of all, we write the given numbers together and we draw two lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Then we go on dividing the numbers by the least prime number. We can divide 18 and 24 by 2, and 2 is a prime number. And we can divide 9 by 3, and also we can divide 12 by 3. And now we can divide 3 by 3, and we cannot divide 4 by 3. In that case, 4 gets carried forward. Now, very important part. While finding the LCM of two numbers, if one of the last number is 1, then in that case you can stop finding the factors here. So you can write the LCM directly. That is equals to, you multiply these factors, that is 2 times, 3 times, 3 times, and as you know, no need to write 1 while finding the LCM. So we multiply these numbers to get 98 equals to 72. Most students get confused here while finding the LCM of more than two numbers. First of all, you just copy the given numbers and you go on dividing the given numbers by the least prime number. But here you just look at the first number and don't bother about the other numbers. So now since 27 is not divisible by 2, so don't divide any number by 2. Just divide 27 by 3 and just follow the same divisor for other numbers. We can divide 54 by 3 and 90 by also 3. Similarly, look at the first number, 9 is divisible by 3. We cannot use here the composite number. We use the prime numbers. Okay. And now similarly, we just look at the first number. We can divide 3 by 3 and we just follow the process with the other numbers. We cannot divide 3 by 10. So 10 gets carried forward. Now there is 1 in the first number. So we move to the next number. So we divide 2 by 2. And 1 gets carried forward here. And we can divide 10 by 2. And remember one thing, that if we are finding the LCM of three numbers and if two numbers comes as 1, finally we stop our division here and we find the LCM as, we know we multiply the factors without 1, because while finding the LCM we don't multiply 1, no need to multiply 1. We can multiply but not necessary. Okay, we can multiply these numbers 5 to 10, 27, 270 is our LCM.